How to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can fix Facebook Messenger's login problem. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might be trying to log into your Messenger account, but you're simply not being able to do so. This could be happening when you have not actually went ahead and then installed the Facebook application. So open the Facebook app, make sure you're logged into the account, and after you log into your account on Facebook, now you can go ahead and open Messenger and try to see if that works. If it doesn't, what I'd recommend you to do is long press on the Messenger app icon and tap on the little I button, and then go to the option called storage. Clear the cache files and also clear the data. Keep in mind that if you're on iPhone, just try to offload the application by going to settings, general, and then offloading the application as well. Now after that, what you can do is you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and then just search for Messenger. If you see an update button there next to the Messenger app, it is time to update the Messenger app, and that could be the other reason why you're facing some kind of bug. So make sure to update the app and then open it up, and I'll ask you for a few permissions, and during the permissions tab you have to make sure to allow all the permissions the app requires. So just go ahead and ask if you want to allow permissions and so on. So I'll just select not now, but you can see this option, it says me to log in. This is happening because I'm logged into my Facebook. If I wasn't logged into my Facebook account on my Facebook app, this option wouldn't pop up and I would not be able to log in. So you just need to tap on the continue option over here, and then now you can go ahead and simply log into your Messenger account. That's all it takes to fix Facebook Messenger login issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.